Hi guys, Amy Starr here, and in this video today, I am going to show you real quickly how I track my leads. How do I know where my leads are coming from? And why this is important is because when I know where my leads are coming from, then I know what parts of my marketing strategy is working in my business. And then by tracking my leads this way, when I make a sale in my business, I can also trace the sale back to where the lead originally came from so that I can see what lead sources are also generating sales. Okay, so this is a very simple process using the funnel builder that I use. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about real quick, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to learn how to do this. So I have a new-ish lead magnet, my latest lead magnet that I've created. I like to create my own resources to share with my audience to help, provide value to the marketplace and give out, good content for free in exchange for the names and email addresses of people in my target audience. So from time to time, I will create a new resource, and I recently created a resource called the Affiliate Marketer's Cheat Sheet. Okay, so I took the Affiliate Marketer's Cheat Sheet and I put it out in all different places on the internet. And I continue to put it out in different YouTube videos. I'll mention it, or in a blog post, and different, my Facebook cover mentions it. I've got it in my Facebook group in a couple of different places. And so when I get a lead on my Affiliate Marketer's Cheat Sheet list in my autoresponder, I like to know where that lead came from, because it could have come from all of these different places on the internet where I have links to that cheat sheet. So let me show you what I mean real quick. So here's just an example. I just did a search in my email for Affiliate Marketer's Cheat Sheet, and you can see here are just some of the leads. I have a lot of leads from this cheat sheet, okay? So let me just show you a few quick examples of what this looks like so that you can see some of the different places that my leads are coming from. Okay, so here where it says custom fields source, the source is where my leads are coming from. So I'm just showing you how this shows up in my email notifications. It also shows up like this inside of my autoresponder. I use Aweber as my autoresponder. So this source code is also going to show up with the name of the lead inside of my autoresponder. And this is important as well, because this makes it super easy when I get a sale to go into my autoresponder and see where that lead came from. All right. So this source is just going to show you some of the different places that my leads are coming from. This one came from YouTube, my blog. And when I use the source code on a blog post, I always put the date so that I know which blog post the lead came from. So this is a blog post on October 27th, 2023. So I know exactly what blog post it came from. My Facebook group, my links page. So just to show you quickly what my links page looks like, I have this page that has all of these different links on it. These are all resources that I've either created or that I have access to that I can share with people, or my podcast, my YouTube channel, things like that. And at the very top, I've got my Affiliate Marketer's Cheat Sheet. So this is the links page. If someone clicks on this and grabs my Affiliate Marketer's Cheat Sheet from here, then I would be notified that it came from my links page. YouTube, links page, Facebook cover, recap email. So this is a specific email that I send out every week that does like a recap of the week. And I mention this new resource in there for my audience that's on my email list in case they want it. And so when it says recap email, that's where this lead came from. Facebook cover, YouTube, recap email, Facebook cover. So a lot of my leads have been coming in from my Facebook cover. I recently changed my Facebook cover to reflect my new lead magnet. So I'll use this as an example real quick to show you how I track from here. So I recently changed out this cover photo on my Facebook profile so that I could let people know that I have this new resource, right? So all this is it's an image that I made in Canva. And I have a whole training where I show you how to do this on another YouTube video that you can watch if you like. But basically, if someone clicks here, yes, send it to me. Basically, it's going to take them over to this description. And in this description is where the link is. And you'll see in the link, it says, here's the link, affiliatemarketingjunkie.com/cheat sheet. And then it says $T equals FB cover. So what this means is when someone clicks on this link, it's going to have this code in it when they click through that way. And so if they click here to opt in, to grab the cheat sheet from there, when I get the email notification saying that somebody just opted in and became a lead, it's going to say FB cover on there, and I'm going to know that they came from my Facebook cover. So if they come over to my links page and click this button, the same thing is going to happen. You'll see here's the link up here, affiliatemarketingjunkie.com/cheat sheet, T equals links page. So if they click here and put in their name and email address, I'm going to get an email notification and it's going to say links page. And then in Aweber, where the lead actually goes into my autoresponder, it's also going to show the source being links page. So I can tell where each of my leads is coming from based on this code that's at the end of each of the links. And so once I have this set up, which only takes a minute, it's so easy I can put links anywhere. So for example, if I put a link in my YouTube description, you'll see if I have it here under this video. Grab the Affiliate Marketer's Cheat Sheet to learn the 5 crucial elements needed to maximize your affiliate marketing earnings. I click on it and you'll see the link has T equals YT for YouTube and the date of the video. So I know exactly what video my lead is coming from. And, in this view of my video, the live view, you'll see it's truncated here. You can't see the whole link. But if I click edit video, you can see it here. So here's the full link that I have in my description, T equals YouTube with the date. So this is how I can tell how many leads I'm getting from this specific video. Okay. And so then if I make a sale in my business, what happens is I get a notification from my main affiliate program that has the person's name and email address in it. So if I come over to Aweber and paste in their email address, it's going to show me the information about that person. And it's going to show me see where it says source Facebook cover. So if this lead, if it was the person that just made a purchase in my business and I came over and I did a search for this email address, it would say Facebook cover. So now I know that my Facebook cover generated not only a lead, but a sale in my business. So it's super easy to track that as well. I like tracking at the lead source because it's easy to then track and see where my sales are coming from. Sometimes people track from the sales source and then they make these sales, but they don't know where their leads are coming from. I like to track my leads. So let me show you how to learn how to set this up. So the funnel builder that I use to create all my pages like this one, all my pages, all of my funnels, all of my video pages, webinar pages, and any pages that are generating me leads. I use the HBA Funnel Builder for that. And if you want more information about the funnel builder, I actually have over 95 videos on my YouTube channel that talk about all the different really cool things that you can do with this funnel builder. It's incredible. And I will just say that it's only $25 per month. And for that $25 per month, you can build courses, you can build membership sites, you can do quizzes, all kinds of really cool stuff that a lot of builders charge a lot extra for these extra benefits. We have a scheduler built into it. So if you want to be able to, people to be able to book appointments with you online, we have that built in. Everything's built in for $25 a month. So I will say that about it. And I will leave some information below this video about it if you'd like to learn more. But let me show you kind of what you get as far as training with the funnel builder. We have what's called our Funnel Builder Academy, and this comes free with the Funnel Builder. And what's so cool about this, I've never seen this done before in any other builder, especially considering a lot of the other builders cost a lot more too. We have all of this training. So there's all these drop-down menus here that teach you, everything that you need to know about how to set it up, how to connect it to your autoresponder and register your domain and connect your, everything to your domain name and everything like that, autoresponder integration. And then when you come under this section, you'll see all of these trainings. And there's a training here called Tracking Leads with the Builder. So we have training in here for our builder for everything that this thing can do. You can see step by step how to build a membership site, everything. And the training is so good. Mike Hobbs does most of our training, and he is, in my opinion, one of the best teachers on the planet. He teaches so, clear, in a clear, easy to understand way, so that you can literally watch the videos, pause if you need to, and set it up as you go. So for how to track where your leads are coming from inside your HBA Funnel Builder capture pages, he walks you through exactly how to do exactly what I just showed you. So basically, you're going to do a couple steps inside of the funnel builder. You're going to do a couple steps inside of your autoresponder, and then you're done. And then after that, every time you want to post a link somewhere on the internet, like I showed you, like you have a YouTube video and you want to post your link there, you can just on the fly add $T equals whatever you want your code to be, YouTube and the date, like I do. And that way, every time I have a new piece of content, I can do this, and then I can tell if my leads are coming from that specific piece of content. And I love this. Why do I love this? Well, the reason I love this is because if I see that a specific piece of content is generating a lot of leads, and then those leads are converting to sales, well, what that tells me is that I should create more content similar to that. That's what my audience wants, obviously. That's what works in my business. So I should create more content like that. If I have another piece of content that I never see a single lead come in from, and I have just as many links in my description, well, that tells me that that piece of content is not converting, and that maybe that's not the best kind of content to create for my audience. So you can get a lot of information from just seeing where your leads are coming from. And I know from my experience, I've noticed that certain pieces of content bring in a lot of leads for years. Like I have content that I've created years ago that is still bringing in leads today consistently. One specific video, for example, that I know generates a lot of leads for my business. So from time to time, what I do is I do an updated version of that exact video because I know it works, right? It's good information to have if you know what's working in your business, because you can replicate it. And, you can update it, and you can do different things to, rather than having one video that's bringing in leads consistently, why don't I just have multiple videos like it that are also bringing in leads consistently? So I'm bringing in even more leads and showing up in even more searches. So hopefully that makes sense. So like I said, this training goes through the process. If you have a Weber, which is what I have, he has a specific training in here specifically for a Weber. You can see this is like 6 minutes long. This is not a hard process. And he teaches it in 6 minutes. It takes even less than that to actually do it. So all I did was I watched this video, I set it up, and it's super easy to track my leads. And so anyway, I wanted to make this quick video today to share this because I think it's important, A, that you are tracking your leads so that you know where your leads are coming from. And I also just wanted to make sure that you know that it does not have to be a complicated process. You don't have to pay for some kind of lead tracking software. I know, some people do and some people like to. And there are lead tracking softwares that do things other, just different things that are for different purposes. Like I said, some of them track your sales and different things. This process is my favorite process, and it doesn't cost anything. It's part of our funnel builder, and it's super easy to do. So in my opinion, if you have an online business and you're generating leads, you're going to need a place to generate your leads. Like you're going to need capture pages where people can put in their name and email address. So you're going to need some type of a builder in order to be able to generate those pages. So why not use a builder that is only $25 per month, that creates beautiful pages and video pages and membership sites and courses. You can do everything with this builder for only $25 a month. And it has the lead tracking capability already built in and a training that shows you exactly how to set it up. And B, what you get also with this funnel builder is the most incredible supportive community I've ever seen online. We literally have 7 Zoom calls per week for our members inside of our academy. We have what's called a Traffic and Conversions Academy, so people that own the funnel builder, if they want to be part of that, we have training all week long to teach people how to market, how to generate leads. So you can use the funnel builder to build your pages, right? To build your capture pages where the leads are going to opt in. And then you can learn all of these different ways to market. If you were to look through all of those places where my leads are coming from, I have leads coming from my Instagram story. I have leads coming from my Facebook story. I have leads coming from my Facebook group. I have leads coming from YouTube. We have training on all of these different strategies. We have short form video training in there about TikTok and Instagram Reels. We have training in there about YouTube and how to rank your videos. We have training in there about Facebook. We have all kinds of different training in there to show you all of these different marketing strategies. So you can use our beautiful builder to build your pages and then learn how to market. And like I said, we have 7 Zoom calls per week where you can come learn these different strategies, but we also stay on every call until every single person's questions are answered. Because what happens a lot of times is once you start building your pages and once you start marketing, sometimes you'll end up having questions that you didn't have before you were in the trenches doing it, right? So now you have a place that's there every day that you can come and show up and ask your questions and get them answered right there on the spot. A lot of times, somebody will share their screen to show you exactly what to do or help you actually do it right there live on the call. And if you can't be there live, they have a form that you can fill out to ask your question so that they'll still answer it live, and then you can just watch the replay. So you're going to be supported no matter what with your page building and your traffic. So if you would like to learn more about that, I will leave a link below where you can get access to our funnel builder with that premium product free for 2 weeks. It's called our all-in-one business. And for that same $25, you can get both. And you pay for the funnel builder and we'll throw in premium, the Traffic and Conversions Academy, free for 2 full weeks. So you can come to 14 Zoom calls and see what our community is about. We have a whole back office full of marketing training that you can go through as well, with videos like the one that I showed you in our Funnel Builder Academy. We have marketing training for every platform in there as well that you can go through. So you'll get that for free for 2 weeks. So you might as well, right? So I will leave a link below to where you can learn more about that all-in-one business. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you have any video requests. I'm happy to create videos on the things that you want help with. This video today was actually created based on a question that I got in a YouTube comment. So I wanted to go ahead and answer the question more thoroughly, and I figured I might as well do it publicly on YouTube so that other people could benefit from it as well. So I'm happy to answer your questions with videos. If you have any, leave me a comment. Let me know if this was helpful. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.